Hi kids! How good are you at reading road signs? Welcome to Drive Smart Academy's Ultimate Road Sign Quiz.
Question 1. What does a lane end sign mean? A. Road ends. B. You must merge. C. No parking. D. Turn only. The correct answer is B. You must merge. Question 2. What does a curve ahead sign warn you about? A. Intersection. B. Bend in the road. C. Railroad crossing. D. Stop sign. The correct answer is B. Bend in the road. Question 3. What does a sharp right turn sign mean? A. V. Gentle curve. B. Slow down and turn sharply. C. U-turn allowed. D. Stop ahead. The correct answer is B. Slow down and turn sharply. Question 4. What does a winding road sign indicate? A. Straight road. B. Series of curves ahead. C. One turn. D. Dead end. The correct answer is B. Series of curves ahead. Question 5. What does a narrow bridge sign warn you about? A. Road closed. B. Bridge is narrower than the road. C. No trucks. D. 2 lanes. The correct answer is B. Bridge is narrower. Question 6. What does a low clearance sign mean? A. Wide road. B. Construction. C. School zone. D. Vehicles over a certain height may not pass. The correct answer is D. Vehicles over. Question 7. What does a no passing zone sign indicate? A. Passing prohibited. B. Passing allowed. C. Slow traffic. D. One way. The correct answer is A. Passing prohibited. Question 8. What does a yield to pedestrians sign mean? A. Speed up. B. Ignore pedestrians. C. Stop always. D. Pedestrians have right of way. The correct answer is D. Pedestrians have right of way. Question 9. What does a bicycle lane sign indicate? A. Lane reserved for bicycles. B. No bicycles. C. Parking. D. School zone. The correct answer is A. Lane reserved for bicycles. Question 10. What does a bike route sign show? A. Route recommended for cyclists. B. No bikes. C. Construction. D. One way. The correct answer is A. Route recommended for cyclists. Question 11. What does a deer crossing sign warn you about? A. Zoo nearby. B. Park entrance. C. Farm area. D. Animals crossing the road. The correct answer is D. Animals crossing the road. Question 12. What does a cattle crossing sign mean? A. Farm animals may cross. B. Pets nearby. C. No passing. D. School zone. The correct answer is A. Farm animals may cross. Question 13. What does a hill ahead sign warn you about? A. Flat road. B. Construction. C. Parking. D. Steep incline or decline. The correct answer is D. Steep incline or decline. Question 14. What does a stop ahead sign mean? A. Yield. B. Traffic light. C. Stop sign coming up. D. Stop now. The correct answer is C. Stop sign coming up. Question 15. What does a traffic signal ahead sign indicate? A. No lights. B. Stop sign. C. School zone. D. Traffic light ahead. The correct answer is D. Traffic light ahead. Question 16. What does a road work ahead sign mean? A. Construction ahead. B. Road closed. C. Detour. D. Parking. The correct answer is A. Construction ahead. Question 17. What does a flagger ahead sign indicate? A. Stop sign. B. Railroad. C. Person controlling traffic. D. Police. The correct answer is C. Person controlling traffic. Question 18. What does an orange sign usually indicate? A. Construction or maintenance. B. Speed limit. C. Guide. D. School zone. The correct answer is A. Construction or maintenance. Question 19. What does a blue sign usually provide? A. Warning. B. Prohibition. C. Stop. D. Services or information. The correct answer is D. Services or information. Question 20. What does a green sign usually show? A. Directions and destinations. B. Warning. C. Construction. D. Speed. The correct answer is A. Directions and destinations.
How did you do? Comment your score below. Make sure you subscribe to Drive Smart Academy for more quizzes like this. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.